This pink liquid is a real miracle. Cleaning the house has never been so enjoyable. Take a glass jar and pour in 100 milliliters of alcohol. Then add 100 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, which is commonly known as hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide acts as a disinfectant, while the alcohol helps evaporate moisture, preventing streaks. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Finally, pour in 3 cups of water to dilute the solution. Transfer the mixture to a spray bottle. Gently shake the bottle to mix the ingredients thoroughly. This pink cleaner is excellent for tackling stubborn limescale in bathrooms. It works well on countertops, bathroom surfaces, and even glass. It provides effective cleaning while being gentle on surfaces. All it takes is 1 tablespoon of this powder to make your shower shine for years. Limescale on shower glass appears very often and can be genuinely hard to remove, but there is a simple solution. Take a glass bowl and put 2 activated charcoal capsules inside. Activated charcoal binds impurities, neutralizes buildup, and absorbs residues responsible for dull, cloudy film, while remaining gentle and free from harsh chemicals. Crush the capsules thoroughly with a fork until you get a fine powder. Add a small amount of water to create a thick paste and mix well. Then add 1 drop of vinegar. Vinegar dissolves mineral deposits, lowers the surface pH, and boosts the effect of the charcoal, making dirt release more easily from the glass and helping the surface stay clean for longer. Now prepare a microfiber cloth. It is gentle, does not scratch the glass, and collects dirt very effectively. Apply the paste to the cloth and wipe the shower enclosure using calm, even motions, making sure not to miss any spots. Rinse everything with warm water and dry with a paper towel. The glass is clean, clear, and streak-free again. Activated charcoal is ideal for regular cleaning and can truly transform the entire bathroom. Drop them into your bathroom sink, but also toss a few of these cubes into your kitchen drain. Once you learn this trick, you'll stop buying expensive and harsh chemical cleaners. Take 2 limes and cut them in half. Make sure they're juicy. Then slice each half into smaller pieces and toss them into a blender. Add enough water to completely cover the lime pieces. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and blend everything thoroughly. Now strain the mixture using a fine sieve. Use a teaspoon to press out all the pulp. To the strained liquid, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap and about 100 milliliters of water. Mix it well. That's your cleaning solution. Grab an ice cube tray and pour the mixture into each compartment. Cover the tray with plastic wrap to protect the contents, and place it in the freezer. Once frozen, remove the plastic and pop out the cubes. And you're done. Just drop one of these cubes into the sink and run some water. Fresh, clean scents will rise from the drain. They also work great in the toilet. Perfect for freshening up your bathroom in seconds. No effort needed. You've never cleaned your shower this thoroughly before. This trick will help you clean your bathroom, especially the shower, quickly and efficiently. I guarantee it'll look like new. Grab a few cleaning cloths and cut them into thinner strips using scissors. Now, prepare a bowl. Pour in some vinegar. It has disinfecting and cleaning properties, doesn't leave streaks, and kills bacteria. Add enough to fully soak all the cloth pieces. Let them sit in the vinegar for a few minutes to absorb it well. Take the soaked cloths to the bathroom, specifically to the shower. Step inside and place the cloths all around, squeezing out the vinegar as you go. This will help break down limescale and dirt. Leave them on for a few minutes to boost their cleaning power. The best part? You can wash and reuse the cloths after every cleaning. Your bathroom will shine like never before. You'll quickly notice the surfaces becoming spotless and shiny. In no time, they'll look brand new. Wipe your shower with this and get rid of limescale for weeks. Water residue that regularly builds up on shower enclosures can be a real nuisance. Over time, the glass turns cloudy and streaks become harder and harder to remove. Store-bought cleaners are often expensive and have a very strong smell. They also do not always deliver the results you expect and are not the safest option. That is why it is worth reaching for a simple home remedy. All you need is a regular potato that you most likely already have in your kitchen. Cut it in half. The most important part is the inside, the moist, light-colored flesh. This is what helps dissolve water stains and limescale. Rub it thoroughly over the shower enclosure, especially in areas where the buildup is most visible. Let it sit for a moment so it can work. Then rinse everything with lukewarm water. Finally, wipe the surface with a microfiber cloth to remove any remaining residue. Your shower enclosure will regain its shine, feel smooth to the touch, and look fresh and clean again. All thanks to one simple potato you already have on hand. A simple trick, no chemicals, and no unnecessary expense. Pour coarse salt down the drain. Once you find out what it does, you'll want to try it today. It's better than 100 plumbers. Take a bowl and pour in a cup of cold water. Add 2 tablespoons of any dish soap. The soap breaks down grease and blocks access to food residues. Now add 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. Salt has antibacterial properties, absorbs moisture, and neutralizes odors. This amount is enough to get the desired effect. Mix everything well until the salt partially dissolves and starts to activate. Use a funnel to pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Spray it into all your drains, in the kitchen, bathroom, and shower. Let me explain how it actually works. This simple homemade solution helps you get rid of tiny drain flies. But that's not all. It also works great against ants and cockroaches. That's because the salt and soap create an environment that dissolves organic residue and forms a natural barrier that repels insects. Regular cleaning alone isn't enough. This simple mix will solve the problem for good, without chemicals and without expensive service calls. Always keep this in your shower. It's one of those brilliant uses hardly anyone knows about. Start with a pair of thin tights. They can be old ones you were going to throw away anyway. Tights are stretchy and breathable, making them perfect for this hack. Before you get started, pick a few fresh mint leaves and chop them into smaller pieces. This helps the mint release its strong scent and essential oils more easily. Mint has a refreshing effect and a pleasant aroma. If you don't have fresh mint, you can use dried. Just a handful will do. It works just as well, though the scent will be a bit milder. Now put the mint into one leg of the tights. Tie the prepared tights to your shower head. During your shower, the steam will slowly release the minty aroma, turning an ordinary shower into a fragrant, relaxing session. It's like a natural air freshener that works every time you turn on the hot water. The result is surprisingly pleasant.